The JBL Flip 5 brings your favorite music to life with pure, vibrant sound you can take anywhere. Thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, pairing with your smartphone or tablet is effortless, letting you enjoy your playlists without wires holding you back. With over 12 hours of continuous playback, this speaker keeps the party going from morning until night. Whether you're at the beach, hiking, or just relaxing at home, the Flip 5 ensures your soundtrack never stops. Its compact design measures just 10.2 by 20.8 by 12.4 centimeters, making it easy to slip into a backpack or carry by hand. Don't be fooled by its size. The Flip 5 delivers loud, clear audio that fills any room or outdoor space. Users rave about its powerful sound and portability. One reviewer shared how the Flip 5 replaced their bulky stereo system, highlighting the convenience of Bluetooth and the impressive volume from such a small device. It's the perfect solution for those who want quality sound without the hassle of cables or heavy equipment. What you get is a reliable speaker that fits your lifestyle. No more tangled wires or complicated setups. Just connect, play, and enjoy crisp, dynamic sound wherever you go. The Flip 5 is designed to keep up with your adventures and your music taste. If you're tired of compromising on sound quality when you're away from home, the JBL Flip 5 is worth a look. It balances portability, battery life, and audio performance in a way that few speakers can match. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your music experience with a speaker that's as flexible and energetic as you are. Whether it's a small gathering or solo listening, the Flip 5 delivers clear, powerful sound that fits your pace. Take your favorite sounds with you, no bulky equipment, no fuss. The JBL Flip 5 makes great sound simple, portable, and ready to go wherever life takes you.